Today, I am going to show you how to make a garden sensory bin and go over the various benefits of sensory play. You first want to collect all the supplies needed for the sensory bin, which I will go over in further detail. Once you have your supplies, you are ready to create your sensory bin. You want to start with an empty container, and this can be anything: a bowl, a box, and then fill it with black beans, as they have great texture to them and they replicate soil. You then want to add in a variety of other textures, colors, scents. You can use real flowers or fake flowers, any other little toys such as fake bugs or little butterflies. The more variety, the better, as sensory bins should incorporate a variety of senses, such as touch, sight, sounds, smells, all for children to learn and explore. Then add in shovels, rakes, cups, a little watering can. Anything to encourage discovery, play, coordination. Sensory play has so many benefits. It is fun, yet supports cognitive growth, fine and gross motor skills, problem-solving skills, and even social interaction. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to make a garden sensory bin.